On today's video, I tune up a rototiller. Hello everybody, I'm Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, I'm going to work on a rototiller that we've had for quite a while. I got a tune-up kit for it, and new filters, new spark plug, and a new carburetor for it. And this is what I'm working with right here, this little guy right here. So, let's get to work. Alright, the first thing I want to do is I'm going to take out this tank and I'm going to clean it up. But let me show you all my parts that I have right now. I have right here, I have spark plug, I have fuel filter, a couple other things in there, air filter. Here's the new carburetor for it. Pretty small, but alright, let's get to work on this. Alright, the way I usually clean out a gas tank, it's usually on a car one. I haven't really done a plastic one, but I think it's all pretty much the same. I dumped out all the old gas, took out the filter and the line that goes to it, and then I have a thing full of marbles. I have all these marbles, and this CLR is for a different project, but this will work for this one. Just need a handful. You don't need that many. Put them all in there. Then take it and you put some CLR in there. You don't have to put a lot. It's not a very big tank. Seal that up, and then I'll cover this. I'll do this for about 10 minutes. And then when I'm done, I'll dump it all out. Then I'll put it out in the sun so it dries up. While the tank is drying out there, I'm going to go ahead and start doing this. I'm going to go ahead and take off this cover. It should have the air filter in here. Oh, and there it is. I got the air filter right here, the new one. Yeah, I guess it probably did need a changing. What do you guys think? Yeah, looks like it. Actually, let me get a little towel here and kind of clean out. There we go. Alright, there it is. As you can see, what happened to it is the primer bowl broke on it. It's so old. So I just got this on, the new carburetor. Then I'm going to go ahead and take off the spark plug, put the new one on there. And there you go. Now what I'm waiting for is for the gas tank. So let me go and see if that's ready to do this. I cleaned out the tank. As you saw earlier, it's dried up and everything like that. And let's see. I put all the lines back in there with the fuel filter, and it's ready to be installed. So let's do it. You want to make sure you put the clear yellow one on the top inlet on the carburetor, and the one with the fuel filter on the bottom. All right, let's go ahead and put on the air filter. All right, next thing I'll do is we'll take it down. I'll put some fresh fuel in it, and we'll see if it'll start. I'm going to go ahead and fill it up some HUZTL fuel, the 2-stroke. It is the 50-to-1. Let's just say that, but yes, there it is. Next thing I'm going to do is I open the choke. It's open. I'm going to use the priming right here. It's a priming bulb. Get some fuel going in here. Oh, and there you go. And you can tell it's primed and everything because it'll come out the return line, or you can see it come through the return line. All right. Flip on the on switch. We'll get the compression. Oh, there we go. Now you close it. Turn that off right now. The real test will be if I can get it to actually do some rototilling outside. So let's go see if we can do that. Let's see. Let me turn it back on. Now my wife's ready to do some more gardening. I'll put a link down below in the description for the kit that I used today. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Dad Life Projects, or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, why don't you go ahead and watch a couple more videos right here, and also hit the subscribe button down below. And remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.